Enjoy beautiful sunsets from THE6 floor overlooking the golf course. This is a 2-bedroom 2-bathroom plus DNIT has been converted into 3rd bedroom, extra large covered screened patio. Apartment has huge master bedroom with large walk-in closet, spacious living/dining area, laundry facilities in the same floor, assigned parking, 24/7 security guard at the gate, security cameras throughout the community, multiple amenities, pool, tennis and basketball courts, gym, bowling and much more. Quiet 55+ older community. 5 minutes from Jackie Gleason Park and the bridges at Springtree Golf Club, where you find outstanding amenities. 20 minutes to FT Lauderdale Airport, close to shopping and restaurants, Turnpike and more. Needs some TLC.